Peaches, what is up? I hope that you guys are having a great day today. Hopefully you can't see my terrible caveman feet. So sorry if you can. So me and the big boy are hanging out today, and I have filmed postpartum, packing, like getting everything ready for that. I filmed diaper bag, and then today I thought I would film packing my hospital bag. So if you guys watched Dash's hospital bag packing, I said in that one, and it's true of this one too, I feel like I have packed this bag and unpacked it several times, just trying to like get it down to a fine art. I'm trying for this bag specifically to bring like as minimal as possible, because I feel like I won't really feel like getting super cute. I'm gonna bring maybe a little bit of makeup, but I just think I am not gonna feel like doing it. I don't really feel like I'm gonna feel up to doing my hair. And not because I'm expecting to feel awful, but just because I think my attention is gonna be obviously somewhere else. Other than that, I'm like, I do not need to overpack for myself, because that's where I'll actually really overdo it. So we're gonna go through. I have my big bag here. This is like one of my favorite weekender bags. If I'm being honest, I wanted a really cute one that said mama on the front of it or something like that, but they are so expensive everywhere that I was like, I cannot do that. So we're just using what we've got. If this is the first video of mine that you are ever clicking on, my name is Sarah. This is my first baby. I am very excited and honestly pretty lost. So if you guys have anything suggestion-wise that I should put in here or definitely leave out, tell me. I might still be too anxious to leave it out, and so it might stay in, just a forewarning, but I still want all the information and suggestion. I'm not gonna go in any kind of order. I already have some stuff like out. The first basic thing that I have to have in here is all of my eye care stuff. I wear contacts, so I have the disinfecting solution that I normally use, regular contact solution, and then I actually have a little case, a hard case and a soft one for my glasses as well. I just feel like, for some reason, I feel like I'm going to forget contacts or glasses, one or the other, and I'm gonna be there and be like, why? What in the world? And then I have a contact case somewhere, I thought. I don't know, maybe I don't. I'm so crazy. I'm like, this isn't gonna be in any order, and then I'm like, well, I'm gonna get it in some sort of an order. I have this, which is a nursing cover, which in the hospital, I plan on just being like, here it is, here they are, we're doing what we're doing in here. I'm not concerned about in the hospital, but more or less like waiting on the car, or even this can be used as a car seat cover too. And since my baby boy is due the 17th of December, I'm expecting it to be really cold here in Georgia. So I thought this would be nice to have packed up just in case. And this is the Itsy Ritsy one, in case you guys are wondering. It's so dang cute. So kind of along the same lines as that, I am planning on breastfeeding. Hopefully that journey goes good for me. So the few things that I'm bringing for that, I asked my doctor if I should bring my hospital, I asked my doctor if I should bring my pump. I actually have two pumps. And he said not unless you just want to, that they have pumps. And so part of me is like, well, I don't want to use like the hospital's pumps. I would rather have my own, but I also plan on just breastfeeding. So I'm not really sure what to do there. So what I'm going to do is bring the Haka, which I hear people talk about all of the time. If you guys don't know what this is, definitely look it up. It's basically for mostly catching your letdown. So like while he's feeding on one side, I'll just hook this puppy up on the other, and it's supposed to catch all your milk. So in my head, I'm thinking hopefully if he's eating well enough, I will be able to like catch my letdown on this. And I just thought I probably need some milk bags. Next, I just brought a little sample size, because I'm trying to make use of these sample sizes to see, you know, this is where I feel like they're going to be most useful. This is the Amida, I guess is how you say it, and this is Lanolin, so it is for your nipples. It's just if your nipples get dry and cracked. I have a couple little nipple shields, not shields, but like pads for leaking. And then I actually do have nipple shields, so I hope that these work. I hope I don't even have to use them, but I know that it's, if your baby's having a hard time latching, it's supposed to be helpful. And again, that was one of the things I didn't know if they would have at the hospital. So I thought I'll just bring those, and if they do and I don't need them or something, I'll just return them later on. Okay, so for the very minimal clothing that I have such a small amount of clothing. I'm really proud of myself about that. Someone told me definitely bring an eye mask because it is so hard to get sleep in there, and they also said earplugs. I don't have any earplugs, but I am gonna bring the eye mask just in case. I have these cute socks that I hope when I'm in labor I'll still have my sense of humor. We'll see. But they say keep calm and push, and they're like grippy kind of on the bottom. For other clothes, my mother-in-law got me this little nursing gown, which is so cute, and I'm so conflicted on if I should bring it or not because something I read the other day was talking about how like basically everything you go in with just gets so dirty and ruined. If you guys are curious, this is from Secret Treasures, and I'm like, well, I have to have something to wear, right? Like I don't want to just be in a hospital gown the whole time. So I think I'm just gonna bring it, and then if I don't end up using it, that's okay, but at least I'll have it. I have one little nursing bra. I actually need to get some more nursing and pumping bras, probably, at least nursing. Because I don't even know if this one is gonna fit by the time that my milk comes in, but we'll see. I have one pair of like big undies, which I'm hoping I don't even have to use. I hope that the hospital is gonna have enough. And I also brought just a couple adult diapers in case I'm like leaving the day of and wanna wear something different than what they have. And then literally the only other thing I have, I probably do need another outfit, do you guys think, is this one here that is from Pink Blush. I have been obsessed with Pink Blush maternity clothing this pregnancy. Like that I say this pregnancy, like this is my 8th or something, but it's just a set. It's a really big t-shirt and then like joggers. The only thing is this isn't super thick, which is actually why I like it, but I'm also thinking again in December, maybe I'm gonna be too cold to wear this home. I don't know. You guys will have to tell me down below. Should I bring one more outfit at least? Because I technically just have one outfit. I also have that same outfit in black, and so maybe I can bring that and bring like a big jacket or something. I'm gonna need to have access to nurse him if I need to as well, so that's confusing. The last thing clothing wise, my mother-in-law also got me this big comfy robe. I'm kind of conflicted on it as well for the same reason. Like I don't want to ruin it while I'm there, but I do feel better because it's white that I could just like bleach it and sanitize it really good when I get home if I need to. So yeah, I want something comfortable while I'm there at least. So I feel like this is the biggest part. This is like all of my shower and like personal hygiene-ish stuff. So in here, I'm actually gonna probably repack some of this. Like I said, I've done this several times, so I'm kind of forgetting what's in here because the first thing I see when I open it up is something I just said, like, should I bring some of those? I have these little sample packs from Lancino. This is 2 breast milk storage bags and then 2 disposable nursing bags per pack. And I actually have 3 of those. So I have those in case I need to store any milk, and then hopefully the hospital will have some more if I need some more. I have my contact case in here. I am bringing a razor just to like play a mean joke on myself that I'm gonna take care of anything. And then I have this contact case as well. That's right, I'm bringing 2 contact cases. Over on the other side, I have this little mini secret deodorant. So you guys will have to tell me, is it true? Are all the things I'm hearing true? I hear that after you give birth, you just feel like, I'm not sure if you just feel like or if you actually do, but you just feel like you stink so bad. This isn't my normal deodorant, but it's small and I feel like it'll do the job. I was gonna bring this little sample size of dry shampoo, but honestly, this other one is my favorite. This is the Collab Dry Shampoo Overnight one. I have never loved a dry shampoo more than I love this one. This is what the bottle looks like if you guys are interested. It's at Walmart, super cheap, and I love it, and it smells really good too. So I think I'm just gonna bring that one instead. I have these huge things of shampoo and conditioner that I actually have kept, they're like still sealed and everything, in my guest bathroom, and I think I'm gonna try to find smaller sizes of this because I just feel like this is so big and taking up so much room, and they are heavy. So I think I'm still looking for shampoo and conditioner. I'm assuming I'll take a shower while I'm there that involves a hair wash, but that's why we have the dry shampoo as well. I have this mini size of body wash. I also have this itty bitty Hello toothpaste, and I still need to get a like just a, you know, basic toothbrush to throw in here as well. My plan with packing this bag was to have as much in here that I don't have to like pack up at the last minute. So like I'm in labor, we're running around the house, and I'm like, oh, I've got to get my body wash from the shower and my shampoo and my conditioner and my toothbrush and my this. I was like, let me just go ahead and buy some sample size, travel size stuff and put that in there so that it is all the way packed, and like this bag could be in the car if it needed to. As far as skin goes, like I said, I don't think I'm gonna be like really wanting to do my makeup or anything. I'll bring a little tiny pack of makeup maybe like mascara. I don't even know what else, honestly, I would put in there to feel like doing. But I do want to bring some skincare stuff because I feel like that's what's going to make me feel refreshed. I'm not gonna be like, oh, I wish I had mascara on. I think I'm gonna feel like, oh, I wish I could wash my face. So I'm bringing these little wipes. These are from Untitled Beauty, and they're just makeup remover wipes, but they're witch hazel. So I thought that might be nice and refreshing. And then I'm also bringing, I'm gonna unbox it, but this little kit from Dermalogica. I've been using basically nothing but Dermalogica now for a little while, and I really, really like all their stuff. And so I thought this little kit, if I can get it out to show you guys, was just the perfect amount, like the perfect size to bring for this. And so I'm just gonna bring the special cleansing gel and then maybe the skin smoothing cream. There's an exfoliate in here, which I do like from them. And maybe I'll bring that. Other than that, it's just the pre-cleanse, which is like to get your makeup off. And I'm hoping I'm gonna go into labor like while I'm at home and comfy and can take care of that here. The other thing I'm gonna pack up is this Clinique Moisture Surge. Again, just another little sample size. I just thought I'm probably gonna feel really dry in the hospital room too. Chapstick is on my list, but it's not up here with me, so that'll definitely go with me too. And then I think that's it for like a bathroom bag, if you wanna call it that. The only other thing I'm bringing for right now is my hairdryer. Maybe unnecessary, but it's so tiny that it's really not that big of a deal to bring along with me. And then I wanted to tell you guys one other thing that I am doing. I've heard multiple people tell me in your hospital room there's gonna be leftover diapers, wipes, stuff for you, dermoplast, tucks, like all this stuff. Put it in your bag and take it with you. Well, I am an awkward person, and I was like really uncomfortable at the thought of just like trying to sneak stuff in my bag. And I didn't know like if that's what people were saying, like do it when there's nobody in there, or like what's gonna happen. And so I asked my doctor, which some of you guys might be like, that was a dumb move, but he was like, definitely take anything extra because you've already paid for it. Like it's literally already yours. And so what I'm doing, I have this bag from my birthday that's just like, it still has tissue paper in it, so it's a little loud, but it's just like a paper-ish kind of bag, like a reusable bag. I'm gonna fold that up and pack that actually in my bag as well. And so I'm gonna let that be like my extras bag, and hopefully I can kind of stock it full with some stuff that is left over if we have stuff left over. So I think that that is everything that's gonna go in my hospital bag. Like I said, I feel like maybe I need one more outfit, but you guys tell me what you think is missing from this bag. Like I said, I was trying to be super minimalistic with it and maybe too much. Whew, I gotta get comfy for a minute. My back hurts so bad. I cannot believe we are getting as close as we are to meeting this little boy. I cannot wait to see him and dress him and love on him and be up at 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock in the morning with him. And yeah, this just makes it so much more real. It's like kind of scary, but mostly just exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff in my bag, pick myself out another outfit, and yeah. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in just a few days with a new video. Bye.